Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Nevada. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to start. Integers, and we will discuss some problem of exercise 4a. Now let's see question number 1. In question number 1, it is saying write the opposite of each of the following. So what is the opposite? An increase of 8. What is its opposite? Its opposite is decrease of 8. Its opposite will be decrease of 8. An increase of 8, the opposite is decrease of 8. A loss of rupees 7. So what is its opposite? A gain of rupees 7. Gaining a weight of 5 kg. Its opposite is losing a weight of 5 kg. 10 kilometer, okay, 10 kilometer above the sea level. So its opposite is 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer below the sea level. 5 degrees centigrade below the freezing point. 5 degrees centigrade above the freezing point. So the earning rupees 500. What is its opposite? Spending rupees 500. So in this way, what is the opposite of 24? This is 24. And what is the opposite of 24? Negative 24 is the opposite. And what is the opposite of negative 34? Positive 34. This is the opposite. The opposite of plus 24 is minus 24, and the opposite of negative minus 34 is plus 34. You cannot, there is no need to write sign plus here. If no sign is there, then automatically understand that there is plus sign. In this way, you will solve question number 1. In question number 2, you have to indicate sign. A gain of rupees 500. An increase of 8, that is plus 8. Decrease of 8, that is minus 8. Okay. A gain of rupees 600 plus 600. A loss of rupees 600 minus 600. A loss of rupees 800 is minus 800. In this way, when something is increasing, you have to put plus sign, and something is decreasing, you have to put minus sign. You have to indicate minus sign. So 7 degree centigrade below the freezing point, minus 70, you have to indicate minus sign here. In case of decrease, you have to indicate, in case of decrease, indicate minus sign, and in case of increase, indicate plus sign. A deposit of 200 plus 200. A deposit of 200 is plus 200, and a withdrawal of rupees 300 is minus 300. In this way, you have to indicate the sign. Mark the following integers on number line. You can show the integers on the number line. Now, in question number 3, you have to mark integers on the number line. So this is a line, and how do you mark? In the center there is 0, and on the right part of 0 there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are positive numbers, and on the left part of 0 there is negative number, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. In this way. Now first you have to show minus 5. So the position of minus 5 is here. Minus 2. The position of minus 2 is here. 0. So 0 is here. 7. 5, 6, and 7. So 7 is here. In this way, you have to mark the position of these integers on the number line. You can do this. Now in question number 4, 0 or minus 2, which one is larger? You have to compare. So here is 0 and here is minus 2. Okay. So which number is on the right part. So 0, since 0 is in the right of -2, so 0 will be greater than -2. We know that numbers, integers on the right will be greater than integers on the left. So in the right hand side, 0 is there. So 0 is, and we also know that 0 is greater than every negative number. Why? Because 0 is in the right part of the negative number. Now see question number 9. Now in question number 9, you have to arrange the following integer. 9 part first. 0, 7, -3, -9, -32, 132 and 36. We have to arrange these integers in descending order. So we know that descending order means from greatest to lowest. So which one is greatest? We know that positive integers are greatest. So in positive integers, which are positive integers? 0, positive numbers are 7 and 36. So out of 7 and 36, which one is greater? 36 is greater. So 36 is, we know that positive number are greater than every number, every integer. So 36 is greater, and after 36, 7 will be greater. After 7, 0 will be greater, and after 7, in case of there are 3 negative integers. So out of these 3 negative integers, the integer whose value is greater will be, the integer whose value is smaller will be greater. So out of -3, -9 and -132, which one is greater? -3 is greater. Why? Because the value 3 is smaller in comparison to all these integers. So 3, since 3 is smaller, so it will be greater among all these. So -3 will be greater, and after -3, -9, and after -9, -132. In this way, you will see, you will arrange this number in the descending order. Now in question number 10, you have to see, in question number 10, you have to write 4 more than 6. 10 part first. 4 more than 6. So first of all, draw a number line. Here is 0, -1, -2. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 8, 9, 10. So we have marked the number line. Now, where is 6? 4 more than 6. So here is 6. Okay? Here is 6. And you have to add 4 to it. You have to add 4 to it. 4 more than 6. 4 more than 6 means we have to add 4 to 6. So first of all, where is 6? 6 is here. Now at 6 you have to add 4. There is plus sign here. So in case of more, you have to move in right direction. How many steps? 4 steps. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 steps we have moved, and where we reached? We have reached here 10. So what will be the answer? 4 more than 6 is 10. That is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So this will be our answer. In this way you have to show it. Now 6 less than 2. Now 6 less than 2. It means we have to calculate 6 minus 2. So first of all, draw a number line. Okay. Here is 0, negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 6 and you have to 6 less than 2. Less than means you have to move in left direction. How many steps? 2 steps. So here is 6, move left. First step and second step. So where we reach? We reach here in 4. So 4 will be the answer. 6 less than 2 equals 6 minus 2 equals 4. In this way you have to represent this number on number line. Now see, question number 11 is true false, so you can do the true false. Successor and predecessor. Now suppose that there is a number 2. 2. What is the successor of 2? So to find the successor, what is the successor? Successor and predecessor. Predecessor. So if you want to find the successor, then add plus 1. So what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 equals 3. You have to find the predecessor, subtract minus 1. So what is 2 minus 1? Equals 1. Okay. In this way you have to find the predecessor. Suppose there is a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So what is the predecessor of minus 1? Predecessor of minus 1, move one step in the left. So to find the predecessor of minus 1, move one step left. What do you get? Minus 2. So predecessor of minus 1 is minus 2. And what is the successor? Successor is move one step in the right direction. So what do you get? 0. So the predecessor of the successor of minus 1 is 0 and predecessor is minus 2. In this way you will find the successor and predecessor. Now we will see question number 12. Question number 12, part first. What is the absolute value of minus 9? You know that what is the absolute value? Absolute value of a negative integer. This mod makes the negative integer positive. So absolute value of minus 9 is plus 9. What is the absolute value of minus 36? Is plus 36. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Absolute value of 15. So absolute value of a positive integer is itself is the same number. Absolute value of positive integer is same as it is. There is no change of, if there is positive integer inside, then there will be no change in the sign. And if there is negative integer, you have to make it positive. Okay, in this way you will find the absolute value. Now question number 13 is easy. Write 5 negative integer greater than minus 7. So greater than minus 7, this is number line and this is 0. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So greater than, write 5 negative integers which is greater than minus 7. So greater than minus 7, all these are negative integers which are greater than minus 7. So for finding the greater number, we have to move right side. So all these are, there are 6 negative integers which are greater than minus 7. We have to write only 5 of them. So you can write it. Similarly, you can do the second part. So your today's homework will be exercise 4A, question number 9 to 30. 9 to 30. Okay, so completed. Okay, students, thanks for watching the video.